If you've been looking for space updates and that true Arizona lifestyle, Desert Hills is calling. This is Asher. This well-maintained single-level home sits on over an acre at the end of a cul-de-sac. And from the moment you walk in, it delivers. Vaulted ceilings, tile flooring, and a split floor plan with 4 bedrooms, plus a massive bonus room that works perfectly as a fifth. The kitchen is a standout. High-end cabinetry, tile backsplash, a large island with seating, wine fridge, gas range, built-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances. It's the kind of kitchen that actually makes you want to cook. Step outside and the space really opens up. A large covered patio, pool and hot tub, fresh grass, and a dedicated gardening area. And for the toys, there's room for horses, recreational vehicles, and full RV hookups with a concrete pad already in place. The big updates are done. Roof replaced in 2021, HVAC in 2017, and pool equipment updated this year. This home is move-in ready with no HOA and room to truly enjoy everything Arizona living has to offer. I'm Asher Cohen with Buy AZRE at Realty One Group. Call or text me and let's get you out here.